my highest viewed video isn't the best paying one. What? So how does this even work? How does YouTube pay you? How much does one video make that has 150,000 views or 200,000 views? Let's find out. Obviously, huge language. YouTube pays differently depending on the language. We obviously know that different industries, different niches pay differently, but here we can see that on the same exact industry, language is a big factor when we're talking about YouTube revenue. So something that's super interesting and I love looking at is that when I first started out my channel, I was doing the same exact video 2 times. In English and in Spanish. Obviously, both had very different results. For example, in Spanish, we have the same exact video with 200,000 views, and this one in English with 150,000 views. Yet the inside metrics, for example, the revenue, which I know you guys all want to know about, is completely different on both of these videos. All right, so we're moving this to lifetime, and as you can see from the English one, it's about $643. Yet the Spanish one, with even more views, made not even half of that, $259 with 34 cents. So what is this? How does YouTube even determine it? Remember, keep in mind that this is the same exact video, like the same exact subject. I'm in the same exact location. It's me obviously doing the video, so I'm saying the same exact stuff in the same exact style with my same exact personality. We're gonna keep on digging deep. I'm even gonna give you the pros and cons in this video if I would do it again, even though it is my highest paying video so far. So keep in mind that obviously my channel is a small channel, especially at the time that I launched that video. I had about 1,000 subscribers at that moment. I had just started out, which I think is super duper cool. Of course, I'm getting paid as people watch this video. It's only going to increase from there as time goes on. That's the greatest thing with YouTube. And this was personally a video that I did because I needed the answer. So I searched, I tried until I found it. I knew other people were also looking for it, and that's why I created the video for it. So pros, like I mentioned, obviously I gained a lot of subscribers from that video. It helped me to grow my channel. Number 2, I got paid to do it. I'm still getting paid for that video. Now, number 3 is where the coolest part comes in. There are some people, and I know some of you are here from that video, so I want to know down in the comments. There are some of you that have stuck through with the content, and you might be even moving over to a warmer lane like I've taught you guys before in my previous content. There are different lanes with your audience. We have cold audience, we have a warm audience, and we have a hot audience. So I reach so many people that even if a small percentage is starting to get warmed up with my content, maybe they're even wanting to start a business and they're learning different tricks with my YouTube videos, well, that's a huge plus for me because I'm basically warming them up. I'm giving them the value that they're looking for. Obviously, you have to be smart about how you create these videos, but I would definitely say go for it. If you find a hot topic, if you find something that, hey, I needed it, right? I looked for it. Nobody was touching on that. And I knew that other people were looking for it too. Well, jump on it because there are so many benefits that come from it. Of course, including YouTube ad revenue, but so many more depending on what your personal goal here on YouTube is. And that's exactly what I teach in my program. Being able to pair this YouTube powerhouse searchability with community building platforms on Instagram. My goal and what I teach other business owners to do is to bring in awareness to their business using this huge powerhouse, which has tremendous benefits that are so overlooked. You can have your business up and running even with a small audience, and that's everything that I teach inside the Content Bootcamp. And guess what? Even though, of course, I created the video because I wanted to help other people out who didn't have that Instagram music sticker at the moment, they're necessarily not all business owners that want to use social media, that want to grow their business. So think about it. Is that video going to help me out in my goal? Not really. that doesn't mean that I wouldn't do it again. Of course, it's such a valuable video. By the way, that video helped me gain a lot of subscribers at the moment. So if you're watching this and you came from that video, drop a little music emoji down below so I can know. So now here's what I want you to do. Number one, if you haven't already, just watch the video. It was about, I think maybe a year or a year and a half ago. It was one of my first videos on YouTube. Watch it just to see how different my video style has been, because that might even motivate you to say, hey, if she did that video, then I can definitely jump on, because you grow and you get better and better and better with practice. There, I had probably been on YouTube for less than like a month or maybe 2 or so. So I had zero experience, yet I kept on showing up, which has allowed me to build in that muscle and get better and better at it. And if you've already seen that video, then I want you to check out the free YouTube course that I have here as a playlist on YouTube, so you can get more of those strategies in order to create this viral style of video, in order for your videos to reach more people and for you to obviously make more cha-ching from it. All right, guys, and hope to see you back on this same exact channel for even more tips. Bye-bye.